Welcome to today's brief tutorial on PHSTAT, and at the end of this you should have a basic idea of what it is, how to get it on your computer, and how to use it. The Word document that is also associated with this video goes in and tells you a lot of the technical details and has a lot of the links that you're going to need. Now, Microsoft Excel is a powerhouse for doing calculations, and it handles bulk data in a very quick, accurate, and efficient way. In addition to the basic Microsoft Excel, there is a lot of what we call add-ins or additional Excel power tools that are built in, or stuff that you may have to download to add to it. PHSTAT2 is one that you have to download, and the link and everything is going to be explained in this video. The document speaks to all the technical details that you need to check on compatibility based on the version of Excel you're using and the type of operating system. So if you hover over one of these hyperlinks and you open it, it will take you to a page that has all the links that you need. And if you want to get a lot more of the technical details, feel free to go ahead and look at that as well. But the bare essentials of it, just to make sure you understand the context of what you are doing, is you need to download it, go through and read here. You may have to change some of your trust center settings in your security settings for your computer, so you want to go ahead and read through that and do what you're instructed to do. The link that's here allows you to open this hyperlink, and once you open this hyperlink, it is going to give you the option to start the download process. This machine already has it, so it may not show. You're going to see the link there, and it may take a while for some people. And then once it's there, you click on that and follow the instructions as you would for downloading a typical file onto your computer. It's not much different from that. Now when you are finished, you should have 3 additional icons on your desktop that will be a PHSTAT2 README, which is essentially the same instruction list that we got earlier, and you also will have PHSTAT2, which this is the engine of the program. If you let me try it again so you can see it. Right, if you open Excel, you're going to see this box. Clearly you want to enable your macro, and if you notice, this add-in button came on. If you click on it, you should see a PHSTAT. Now you may be familiar with data analysis toolpack, which is a different add-in. They pretty much operate with the same principle. They have advantages, and we will be using both throughout the course. So I want to make sure that if we post examples with PHSTAT, then you have access to it. So click on add-ins, PHSTAT will be there. Essentially, how do you use it? It's a powerhouse of possibilities depending on what you want to calculate. Let's say real quick, if you click on descriptive statistic, it gives you other options if you wanted to do a box plot, if you wanted to do a frequency distribution. So you will be studying all these concepts, and you will know which of these you are looking to do. And once you click on the necessary one, it typically gives you an input box, so you tell it where the data is, and once you tell it where the data is, you will go ahead and just click OK, and it's gonna give me an error now because there's nothing in it. You will go ahead and it will generate the information for you. So just to continue with it with some data here, let's say we wanted to do a regression analysis on this set of data. It's a simple linear regression, and we wanted to have the tips that somebody earns be our Y values. You highlight that. The hours would be there, and then once you click on and you want to watch out for an icon or a cell that asks you to tell Excel if you're including a label in the input. So if you then tell it you want to do a scatter plot, and let's just stop with that for now and hit OK. It immediately generates a whole series of um, data for you, and these will become more meaningful once you've started to study the theory of it. So essentially, that's that's what the not data analysis, the PHSTAT will be, and this is gonna be your vehicle to get to it, and it has lots of information here if you want to go ahead and read more. If you have any questions, please reach out to us so that you can get this powerhouse on your computers, which is gonna help to make your life a lot simpler. Alright, thank you for watching.